This four-door, four-passenger hatchback still has fewer than 30,000 miles. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.